Hi everyone, my name's Angie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying a new pizza recipe that I've never done before. It's by Low Carb Love and it has a chicken crust to it. I've heard it's really good, never tried it before, and we'll try it and tell you how we like it. So the first thing I'll be using today is some canned chicken. And I'm using this that I picked up from Sam's Club. And then we also need, for one serving, you need 1 can of chicken, which it says 10 ounces, this is 12 ounces. 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, an egg, pizza sauce. These are spices that I'm adding that were not in the recipe. I'm gonna add garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. And then we also have our mixed cheese here. You can just use mozzarella if you want. And then I have some pepperoni that I'm gonna use. So if that sounds good to you, we'll get started. I'm doing a bigger pizza, so I'm doubling the recipe. So I've already drained 2 cans of chicken over here, and she says to squeeze out the water, and she actually did it in a clean dish towel. I'm just gonna try to squeeze it through my strainer and see if that works. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna add that to my bowl. I'm gonna add my seasonings. So I'll add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder or onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And then, since I'm doing a double recipe, I'm gonna add 2 eggs. I'm just gonna mix it with my hand. Okay, and then for one recipe, you'll be doing 1/4 cup of Parmesan. Trying to break up the chicken a little bit. Then 1/2 cup of Parmesan for a double recipe. Okay, I feel like I need to add more egg to this. It's a little dry. Alright, so now I'm gonna get my pan out. And I'm just gonna put some parchment paper on it. Line your pan with some parchment paper. lightly spray with oil. For her recipe, she said that one recipe made 2 servings. I'm trying to do a little bit bigger pizza here, so I doubled it and I added an extra egg. So I have 3 eggs in here instead of 2. And then I'm just kind of using my hand to make an edge around the pizza. I know there are different recipes out there that have a chicken crust. Some of them use uncooked ground chicken, and some of them use shredded chicken like I'm using. The chicken will, when it cooks, it will shrink down a little bit because of when the moisture and the fat cook out of it, it'll shrink some. So this looks like it's probably a 12-inch right now. So that's probably the size I'm gonna get out of that. So this is gonna go in for 10 minutes. And then we're gonna add the toppings on here, which I'm just doing pepperoni and cheese. Okay. I'm gonna clean up and then I'll be back when the crust is ready. Pizza's crust is about to come out. And this is the Primal Kitchen unsweetened sauce with avocado oil is what I'm using. We'll see what it tastes like. Usually I use the Rayo sauce, pizza sauce, and it's pretty good. I'm not sure the carb difference in them, but for 1/4 of a cup of this sauce, it's 4 net carbs. So this is what it looks like. Lightly golden brown. Now I'm gonna add the sauce. Faster than I expected. Just spread it around. So that was half the jar. I'm gonna add my cheese. Just keeping it simple tonight. If any of you have a good low-carb pizza recipe, please let me know in the comments. We like trying different ones. I've got a few different ones that we usually go to. The cookbook that I showed on one of my other shows, the cookbook called Simply Keto, you can find it on Amazon. It has a good pizza, like personal pan pizza recipe in there. that uses a fathead type dough, which we just add our own seasoning to the dough and stuff because I'm not like a huge fat dough fan, but I like it if it's not bland, so I try to add seasoning and everything, but it's also a good one too. Okay, so I'm just gonna top this off with a little sprinkle of cheese on the pepperoni, and then we'll stick it back in the oven. Bake for another 5 to 10 minutes. You can broil if you want the cheese super melty. Okay, so I'm gonna check it in 5 minutes. I like mine a little bit brown, so we'll see what 5 minutes does to it. And then I'll check back with you. It's been 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna check it. Okay, this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. And that's probably good. I don't know that I want it browner than that. So we're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes and then we'll cut into it. And I'll let you know what I think. It looks like it's gonna be good. I'm excited. And I'm starting to cut it. It cuts really nicely. Good. You can see the bottom of it. It looks like pizza crust. It's not doughy, but it doesn't taste like you're eating chicken either. Like the sauce and flavor soak into the chicken. But it's good. It has more flavor than the fat dough does. But yeah. I mean, that was super easy to make. I would say I would be making this again. So friends, that's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoy the pizza. I know I'll be making it again. And I hope you come back for more delicious recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye.